In 1970, stationed in Madhya Pradesh, Sam Manekshaw found himself inaugurating a new club of Central India. This club would later become the Defence Officers Services Institute. To his surprise, the new wing lacked proper furnishings. When Sam Manekshaw pointed it out, he was promptly asked for funds. He generously granted money from the Chief's Welfare Funds. With chuckles, he says, "You see, the problem with me is that I can never say no. I thank God for making me men, not women. Otherwise, I would have always been pregnant." In 1962 war against China, Sam Manekshaw faced the challenge of restoring morale as a new commander corps after a humiliating defeat. In that decisive moment, Sam Manekshaw issued a famous order. "Gentlemen, there shall be no more withdrawals," recognizing that advancing was crucial in restoring confidence. His presence became the tonic that followed him wherever he went. The title of Field Marshal, a ceremonial rank, was awarded to Sam Manekshaw in 1973. However, the comforts that accompany this rank, official cars, offices, staff and residence, were denied to him until the end. He continued drawing the pension of a general, never making a fuss about the unfair treatment to him. Living a quiet life in Kannur with his wife and few employed Gorkhas, he received a significant amount of check from the government on his deathbed. Sam Manekshaw had a reputation of not mincing words when it came to politicians. He openly expressed his disapproval of the political elite, stating that some couldn't tell a mortar from a mortar. At public functions, he went so far as to call politicians illiterate. He even addressed Indira Gandhi, the Prime Minister, as Prime Minister instead of Madam. Some bureaucrats were scandalized and complained about the apparent disrespect. Sam's response delivered in meeting left them speechless. "I hope you know the term madam is reserved for certain ladies who are in charge of houses of ill fame." Known for his sharp humor, Sam Manekshaw revealed another fact of his brilliance in April 1971. When Indira Gandhi asked him about the readiness for war, he surprised her by refusing. Aware of the impending monsoon and the army's lack of preparedness, he explained that going to war without proper readiness would be a risky venture. Insisting that the army needed to be well prepared, he went a step further, stating that if the war plan proceeded without adequate preparation, he would submit his resignation. So these are the 5 stories from the Sam Manekshaw's life. Hit the like button if you love the stories and subscribe button to stay tuned for such stories.